For over 50 years, humanity has remained close to home, orbiting just above Earth in the safety of the International Space Station. We've sent probes to the far reaches of the solar system, but humans haven't ventured beyond low Earth orbit since Apollo. That's about to change. Artemis II will carry 4 astronauts farther from Earth than anyone in half a century. They won't land on the moon, but will loop around it, swinging behind its far side, truly venturing into deep space. For a few days, they'll see Earth as a distant jewel, experiencing a perspective few have ever known. This mission is more than a test of distance, it's a revival of our spirit of exploration. Artemis II marks a shift, leaving the safety of low Earth orbit for the vast unknown. We've mastered living and working in space nearby. Now we're applying that knowledge to a grander challenge. This journey is a declaration. Humanity is ready to explore again. The silence of deep space calls us forward. Artemis II is the moment we leave the harbor and set sail on the cosmic ocean. It's not just about technology, it's about reigniting our ambition. The crew will witness Earthrise, from farther away than Apollo ever did. They'll be pioneers, charting a course left untouched for generations. This is the first human step back into the profound arena of deep space. Artemis II is a promise. Our reach can extend beyond our world. The journey begins now. Humanity is ready to explore the cosmos once more. Every great journey starts with a crucial step. Artemis II is that step for our return to deep space. It's a full-scale crewed test flight of the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System rocket. The mission is a dress rehearsal for future lunar landings, and, eventually, Mars. The crew will push Orion's systems, life support, navigation, communications, to their limits, far from immediate help. They'll swing around the moon's far side, experiencing a communications blackout and testing their self-reliance. Every maneuver and system check is a lesson for future missions. Artemis II is the essential link. Without it, there's no lunar outpost, no journey to Mars. Its success will shape Artemis III, which aims to land humans, including the first woman, on the moon. This mission is the proving ground for our cosmic dreams. It's not just a trip, it's the foundation for everything that comes next. The future of deep space exploration starts here. Artemis isn't just Apollo reborn, it's a leap into a sustainable, inclusive future in space. The Orion spacecraft may look familiar, but inside it's a world apart. Digital controls, solar power, advanced life support. It's built for weeks in deep space, not just a quick sprint. Artemis is powered by international and commercial partnerships. NASA, ESA, private companies, making exploration more resilient and affordable. The Artemis II crew includes a Canadian astronaut, reflecting this global approach. Apollo is about reaching the moon. Artemis is about learning to live and work there. The plan build a permanent base camp and the gateway station in lunar orbit. The moon is now a stepping stone, a lab and training ground for Mars. Artemis II is the first step in this long-term vision. It's not about reliving the past, but building a future where humanity thrives beyond Earth. This is a new odyssey, shaped by collaboration and ambition. The journey is just beginning. Artemis II sets the stage for a sustainable human presence in deep space. Deep space is a different world, hostile, distant, and demanding. In low Earth orbit, help is hours away. In deep space, the crew is truly on their own. Communication delays and blackouts add complexity, especially behind the moon. Astronauts must adapt to working with time lags, a skill vital for future Mars missions. Radiation is a constant threat beyond Earth's magnetic shield. Orion's shielding and storm shelter will be put to the test. Every system must work flawlessly. Life support, navigation, heat shield. There's no safety net. Failure is not an option. The crew must be mechanics, doctors, and problem solvers. Artemis II will test our ability to survive and thrive far from home. This mission is about mastering the unknown. The lessons learned will shape all future deep space journeys. The risks are real, but so is the reward. Artemis II is our boldest test yet. The greatest challenges aren't just technical, they're human. Artemis II's crew will face isolation, confinement, and the psychological weight of deep space. 4 people, a week in a space no bigger than a van, far from home. Trust, teamwork, and resilience are essential. They'll experience the overview effect, seeing Earth as a fragile sphere in the void. This perspective is inspiring, but also underscores their isolation. Managing stress and maintaining peak performance is critical. The mission will monitor their mental health, providing data for future Mars journeys. Artemis II's crew are pioneers of the human experience in deep space. Their courage and adaptability will teach us as much as any instrument. Exploration captures our imagination. It's more than science, it's a story of courage and curiosity. Artemis II will inspire millions, especially the next generation. For children, seeing astronauts journey to the moon turns space into a living adventure. These missions unite us, offering a shared moment of wonder. When we look up at the moon, we'll know 4 humans are circling it for all of us. Their journey is our journey, a symbol of global community. Exploration is in our DNA. Artemis II is our modern voyage. It's about wonder, knowledge, and daring to dream. The science matters, but so does the spirit. We watch because we yearn to reach for the stars. That's a story we'll always follow. Artemis II's success is more than a safe return. It unlocks the future. It proves our rockets and spacecraft can take humans deep into space. This confidence fuels the next steps. Artemis III will land astronauts near the moon's south pole. The data and experience from Artemis II are essential for this leap. Success builds momentum, securing support and funding for long-term exploration. It paves the way for the Gateway Station, a command post and science lab in lunar orbit. Artemis II's lessons will make a permanent lunar presence possible. The ripple effect energizes the commercial space industry, creating new markets and innovation. Private companies will build rovers, habitats, and more. Artemis II is the starting gun for a new economic frontier. The business of space is moving beyond Earth. Artemis II marks the dawn of a new era, moving from visitors in space to residents. This is a shift from exploration to settlement and expansion. The Artemis program is a marathon built on international and commercial partnerships. The goal, a lasting presence, using lunar resources to break our supply chain to Earth. This new era brings renewed purpose and possibility. Artemis II makes the dream of living beyond Earth tangible. The technologies developed will benefit life on Earth. Medicine, recycling, power. More importantly, it expands our perspective and increases humanity's long-term survival. Artemis II is the first light of a new dawn. Our home is no longer just Earth, but the solar system. The future is within reach. The night sky holds our past and our future. Artemis II brings our cosmic destiny back to the launch pad. It's a collective decision. Humanity's story will reach beyond one world. This mission is about science, collaboration, and a sustainable future. The Artemis II crew are emissaries for a united planet. Their journey inspires hope and ambition worldwide. The mission's success will echo through generations. It's the spark for lunar bases, Martian cities, and new dreams. The data will inform, the images will inspire, and the story will captivate. Artemis II is the end of the beginning, a signal to the cosmos that humanity is on its way. The path is open, our journey is just beginning, our destiny awaits.